University of Uppsala. This staircase 13. The previous one was 11. Yeah. We're gonna do this at 9044.
Plan 3.
Therefore. First of all, test kilograms, just 1 hour per elevator, because these are boring elevators. I'm sorry if I'm going to film more elevators. Uppsala is so crappy place to film elevators. Just full of lots of buildings and generic elevators.
Plan K1.
Basement. Pitback basement maintained by Svenska Tecnolift. Essential elevators. This looks a very modern university. CRT TVs and video recorder. They are of course in use every day. Because this looks like per university. According to these elevators. In 2009, 9045.
Hiss på väg upp. Lift going up. Plan 3.
Third floor. But cat is still nice. These doors are too slow.
Hiss på väg ner.
13 pers or 1000 kilograms. Inspected by Q1 inspector, maintained by Svenska Tecnolift AB. Also
Plan K1.
installed by same company.
Basement.
Basement. That's it.